Welcome to the island, man. Welcome to the island.
Welcome to the island, man. Get ready for a one-of-a-kind adventure. You didn't come to the Virgin Islands to sit still. You came for the sun on your skin, the bass in your chest, the rum in your cup. This is Rumvee. Beaches that hit different. Bars that pour heavy. Music that moves you.
The girls come to play.
No maps, no stress. Just your crew, the island breeze, and a ride that feels alive. We roll up loud. We're all out smiling. We chase sunsets and don't rush the vibe. This isn't a tour, it's a whole mood.
Welcome to the island.
Rumvee Beach Bar Crawl. Ride the island, man.